So it really happened, and Mr. Donald Trump has really won the elections. He's now the 47th president of the United States. Congratulations for him. And now, as I have predicted, the gold has fallen. I told you in the last video that if Donald Trump wins the elections, the gold will fall because the dollar is gonna rise. That is literally what happened, and for that I'm expecting some comments and hitting of the likes and subscribes to the channel. Now, what's next with the gold? Now, of course, this was my signal on the last Saturday, telling you to sell the gold exactly from this level of a resistance at 2,744, and thankfully this signal went very quite well and hit our take profit level, making over 333 pips of profit. Congratulations for everyone who have taken this signal. Now, what's next with the gold? That's the big question. So, we are still sticking to our statement that the gold is going to continue the fall, and now based on the 4-hour time frame we can see a very clear head and shoulders pattern has been completed, and that means also that the gold is going to continue the fall. Not only that, but today actually the gold has already retested the broken level of a support right here at 2,734, and as you can see the strong rejection happened right here. Actually, I really regret not sending you a signal to sell the gold, but I think that was before his announcement of the as a winner. Anyway, that happened, and right now the gold has already been declined from the bullish breakout from the previous support at 2,734, and now the gold most likely now going to continue the fall. Now the question is, how far is it going to continue the fall to? That's the big question, and that we have of course to answer. Now to answer that, let's now move to the daily chart. So as you can see, the gold is still moving in a bullish movement, and as you can see here, of course, based on daily chart again, we have here this level of a support trend line. Check this out. So that is of course the real levels of a support trend line, and most likely right now the gold actually has a chance to continue the fall till it reach that same level of a previous support right here exactly at 2,630. Let me just confirm it. That was of course the real, exactly, wow, I'm so good. I swear I did not check this before recording. It is indeed 2,630. Wow. Anyway, the gold I think will not respect this level of a previous resistance, due of course to this strong bearish movement. And remember, it's happening due to fundamentals, and because the dollar right now is rising. Mr. Donald Trump has just won the elections, so therefore the gold most likely will continue the fall. So therefore I'm not expecting the gold to actually retest that level of a resistance and becomes a new support. We can expect a pullback to happen, but that's going to be it. The gold eventually most likely will continue the fall till it reach the real level of a support right here at 2,630. After that, we can see what will gonna happen. Maybe the gold will make a historical bearish breakout from this level of a strong key support trend line, or might actually rise again to retest the same level of a resistance at 2,780 to create a double top pattern. So it's up to the investors what will gonna happen. However, for the meantime, I believe that the gold will fail to respect this level of a resistance and will continue the fall to this level of a support. So we are looking now to short the gold for the remaining days of this week. So let me just now make it clear for you that here, based on the 4-hour time frame, what we have actually, if we check right now the Fibonacci retracement, that the gold currently is actually at 38.2 retracement. Now, as you can see also, the gold kept respecting 61.8. Now, for that reason, 61.8 will be actually our take profit level. So therefore, that level of a real support right here at 2,642 will be actually our take profit level. So we have already determined our target. Now, how about the sell level? Where exactly is the best level to sell the gold? Now, to find the answer for that, we will actually have to apply the magic of trend lines. Now, let me just show you. Here, as you can see, if we draw here a resistance trend line, as you can see, the same level of a resistance trend line has indeed been respected as a resistance trend line with one fake breakout in the middle. Now, what I will do next is simply drag only the ending point of the resistance trend line. Check this out. So right now we have here the same level of a resistance trend line has been also here respected, and then after the bullish breakout happened, now we don't have a fake breakout, we have an actual support trend line, number 1, number 2, number 3. That's interesting. Now, combining that with the fact that recently only, the gold just now actually, just a few hours ago, has indeed respected the same level of a resistance trend line right here. Now, if the gold is going to make any pullbacks, we are actually expecting it to respect the same level of a resistance trend line, and after that, it will continue the fall toward our take profit level, considering, of course, the pressure of the head and shoulders pattern. All of that says that the gold should be good to be shorted as soon as possible. And if we look carefully, we have right here, of course, a real level of a support exactly right there. At 2,717, we have here the real level of a resistance also has been respected. Let me just now move to the 30-minute time frame so we can see the things in detail. Now check this out. Based on 30-minute time frame, we have here also a broken level of a support with this bearish breakout candle. So therefore, if the gold is going to continue the rise, most likely it will first of all retest the broken level of a support right here, and also respect the previous level of a resistance trend line. And after that, the gold most likely will continue the fall. So we are looking mostly to sell the gold after it rises to another 140 pips at 2,717, targeting, of course, the previous level of a support at 740 pips. Of course, I do not actually like to give these unrealistic signals, so therefore, let me just now rise my take profit level to be right here exactly at the bottom of the nearest level of a support at 2,672, expecting around, that's reasonable, 450 pips of profit. However, for the safe zone, we have, guys, to make it a little big now because the gold is going to be ranging a lot right now. So therefore, our safe zone is going to be ranging till the peak of the resistance right here, which was also the nearest level of a real resistance and a real support as well, at 2,737, which means our safe zone will be ranging for exactly 200 pips against 450 pips of profit. And there goes our signal, my friends, on the gold. And again, my friends, please be safe and trade with caution. The gold right now is moving in very high volatility. It moved in around 80 pips since the beginning of the video. And we have to trade with a lot with the smallest or the minimum lot sizes. Don't forget, of course, also to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates, just such as this one right here from me personally. I will send you the updates right here on Telegram. This channel, of course, is free to join. You can just simply look it up right here, Xtreme Trader Signals, or you can check the description below of this video to find the direct link to join directly. I'm keeping, actually, sorry, I keep sending updates about the gold, as we can see right here on this channel. So this is the way to connect to us on Xtreme Trader channel. Do not trade this signal by yourself. Make sure to trade it with the Xtreme Trader team. And you can get also to join our free signals channel on Telegram for the gold. We are sending, actually, guys, gold scalping signals on Telegram. And to join this channel, you can just join it for free as well. Xtreme Gold Signal. And there is, of course, the premium one. You can join it, but of course you have to contact our support to join that channel. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.